Have you found your research topic and research gap, but don't know how to write the literature review? Many students spend weeks reading dozens of research papers. What if AI could help you understand, organize, and write your literature review in a fraction of the time? In this video, I'll show you how to use SciSpace and ChatGPT together to write a professional literature review step by step. Let's begin. A literature review is a summary and critical discussion of previous research related to your topic. Instead of simply describing studies, you compare, evaluate, and identify patterns, strengths, limitations, and research gaps. The first step is collecting high-quality research papers. Use Google Scholar or SciSpace to search for recent articles published within the last 5 years. Open SciSpace and upload your research papers. SciSpace can summarize, explain difficult concepts, and answer questions about each paper. Instead of reading every page, ask SciSpace to summarize each paper. Focus on the objectives, methodology, findings, and limitations. PDF opens. AI summary button clicked. Sections appear with animated highlights. PPC, objective. PPC, methodology. PPC, findings. PPC, limitations. Important sentences glow. Group similar studies together. This makes your literature review organized and easier to understand. Now compare the studies instead of describing them separately. Look for similarities, differences, and conflicting findings. Copy your notes into ChatGPT. Ask it to rewrite them into a formal academic literature review while maintaining proper citations. Always verify the output before using it. A good literature review flows naturally from one study to another. Use transition words to connect different findings and themes. End every major section by explaining what previous studies have not explored. This prepares readers for your own research. Combine your summarized studies, comparisons, and research gaps into one well-structured literature review with one well-structured literature review. Review the content carefully and ensure every citation is accurate. Before finalizing your literature review, make sure you have included recent studies, compared findings, discussed methodologies, identified research gaps, used proper citations, maintained logical flow. Congratulations! You now have a professional literature review written with the help of AI while maintaining academic quality. In the next video, we'll learn how to write a strong problem statement using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other students and researchers. Don't miss the next video, where I'll show you how to write a powerful research problem statement using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.